Hello everyone. Today our topic is 10-minute mail. Okay then let's start the video guys. I don't know how many of you felt insecure by giving your email addresses to unpreferred sites since it is required for you. And the solution for that is just creating a temporary mail. And the best option from us is 10-minute mail. Okay, let's see how to use that. Okay, let me just open my Google Chrome and type 10-minute mail. That's it. And open the first link. Yeah, here is the mail you get, and it will expire in the time given, right? 9 minutes 49 seconds. Okay, let me just open my Gmail and I will send a mail to it so that you can understand how to use that. Oh, sorry, not this mail. Let me just open it. Yeah, first copy it to clipboard. Now I will open my mail. Gmail. Just wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, in the 10-minute mail it will expire in 8 minutes 32 seconds, right? And just copy to clipboard now so that you can paste. Okay, I just open my compose to send a mail. Yeah, okay, this is the mail. Just copy to clipboard now and then paste here. Yeah, the subject, just I will give here, hi, how are you? That's it, just to know. Send. Okay, just open that 10-minute mail and just slide down. Just wait a minute, it will give you the mail here itself. Just a minute. Yeah, see, my message that is hi, how are you is just send. Yeah, here is the usage that, and you can use this 10-minute mail. And thanks for watching this video guys.